Here's how to create floating animated text in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting the Type tool and entering your text. Customize your text appearance in the Properties panel. Navigate to Effect Controls and activate keyframing for the Position property. Move your timeline playhead forward 1 second. Click Motion and adjust the vertical position of your text in the preview screen. Advance another second and slightly adjust the position downward. Continue this process, moving 1 second at a time and making small vertical adjustments for as long as you want the floating effect to continue. To smooth the animation, select all your keyframes, right-click, and apply ease in tempo interpolation. Repeat this process and select Ease Out to complete the smoothing effect.